Looking for a home, need someone who cares. Tijuana's the realtor who's always there.
Welcome to the Madison model home built by Empire Homes in Camellia Gardens, located in Harrisburg, North Carolina. Come on in. This is a fantastic home. This home offers 4 bedrooms and a loft. You have a bedroom in the front of the home, which is very nice for your guest. Can also suit an in-law because it has its own full bathroom. The base price for this Madison home starts at $542,000. However, this particular series, which is called the Willows, has a minimum design option fee starting at $50,000. So this particular home will easily start in the $700,000 price point. There are a ton of upgrades that one can choose within this model home. So this is a fully upgraded full bathroom with an oversized shower. It has tile flooring and tile surround in the shower, marble countertops, black upgraded fixtures. It's right outside of the main level bedroom. Here you have a flex space. This space can be utilized, as it is shown, as an office, but you can utilize this as a seating area or a formal dining room. It can be a library. It can also be a play area for your children. Lots of possibilities. Check out the lighting throughout the house. Here you have this open kitchen, and it's open to the family room and the informal dining. It features upgraded cabinets. They're staggered, nice molding, under cabinet lighting. You have a very nice solid surface, upgraded countertop and matching backsplash. These lights are to die for. Very contemporary. An open glass pantry. You have the wall microwave and oven. So you have a gas cooktop, which is very much desired. You have a ton of cabinets, a Lazy Susie in the corner, beautiful LVP flooring throughout the main level. These windows are phenomenal. Very nice family room where you can just sit and watch television with your family and friends. Great lighting. Again, that light fixture is amazing. There is surround sound and recessed lighting throughout the entire home. The Madison starts at 2,578 square feet and can go up to well over 3,000 square feet. So you have this very unique and convenient drop zone. You can hang your coats. There's a bench where you can remove your shoes and actually store your shoes before actually entering into your home. There is extra storage within this area, and it's deep storage. We love homes that offer a lot of storage. So as you see, there is no carpet on the stairs, highly upgraded. Wood stairs. As you come upstairs, you meet an open space, which is called a loft, another flex area where you can use it as an office space. You can use it as a TV area, a game room, just another lounge area. Again, endless possibilities as to what you can do with your loft area. We have the primary bedroom offering a his and her walk-in closet. This bedroom offers great space for a king-size bedroom suite. Deep tray ceiling. This is a very nice and functional home. Can't you just see yourself living in here, in this community, amongst other neighbors, enjoying everything that Harrisburg has to offer? This community is minutes from grocery stores, shopping, highways, schools, very nice park, the library. Listen, this area speaks to families and professionals. This is a very safe and prestigious, quaint area. Just love the town of Harrisburg. It's just growing. Property values are increasing. Beautiful town to live in. There are so many incentives that they're offering. Quality built homes. Empire, once known as Shea Home Builders, they build a quality and solid home. They've been around for years, blessing families with their craftsmanship. Secondary bedroom. As soon as you come up the stairs, they have it nicely decorated for a little girl. Can easily house a queen-size bedroom suite. Bathroom with the 2 bedrooms on the second level. Convenient oversized laundry room with ample amount of space for a utility sink. Shelving or just a folding table. Bedroom number 4, decked out for a young fella. There's an oversized patio with an option to have a wood burning fireplace on the outside, which makes it very cozy and romantic when you are just sitting outside, taking in the scenery. So if you want to schedule a tour or learn more, Contact me today for more details or drop your questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss a dream home opportunity. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this tour.
She wanna